Question number 27. Coordinate A, B, C are given. A is 2, comma 3, B is 4, comma 5, and C is 7, comma 2. So where will be 2, comma 3? This will be 2, comma 3. 1, 2, 3. This is A. And second is 4, comma 5. So 4, comma 5. This is 4. And 5 will be. This is 4 and this is 5. This will be what? B. Right? And then C 7, comma 2. So X is 7. So 3, 3, 6 and 7. And where will be 2? Here will be 2. Right? This is C. And when we join with the help of scale, we get a triangle which is ABC. Right? Now coming to the first point, he is asking, write down the coordinate of A1, B1 and C1 if a triangle A1, B1, C1 is the image of triangle ABC when reflected in the origin. Again the question is under origin. So first of all we need to find out the coordinate of A1, B1 and C1. So here I am writing A 2, comma 3 under origin, and do you know under origin sign of both the coordinate will change. It will become minus 2, comma minus 3. Later on we are coming to the graph also, but first of all we are writing the reflection fast. B is under origin again, under origin it will become what? B1 it will become minus 4 and minus 5. Similarly we are writing 7, comma 2 again under origin it will become what? C1 minus 7, comma minus 2. And now we are plotting, right? So minus 2, comma minus 3, this is X is minus 2, it will be A1. Now second is minus 4, comma minus 5, this is 4, and when we take 5 it will be B1. And then C1 is minus 7, comma minus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And 7, comma 2 is over here. This is C1, right? And when you join, you will get the image of triangle ABC under origin. You can see that under origin, right? Now coming to the second point. Second point is write down the coordinate of A2, B2, C2. Write down the coordinate of A2, B2, C2 if triangle A2, B2, C2 is the image of triangle ABC when reflected in the x-axis. Right? now where we need to reflect? Under x-axis. So here we are writing the second. Now A2, comma 3 we need to reflect under x-axis. So it will become what? A2. Right? Under x-axis only y coordinate will become negative. If it is positive, become negative, and if it is negative, it will become positive. Now similarly B 4, comma 5 under x-axis. So it will become B2. It will become 4, comma minus 5, and similarly C 7, comma 2 under x-axis. It will become C2. It will become 7, comma minus 2. And if we are plotting on the graph, it will become what? A2 is 2, comma minus 3. So 2, comma minus 3 is over here. This is A2, and then B2 4, comma minus 5. So it will be 4, comma minus 5 here. This is B2, and the last one C2 7, comma minus 2. This is 7, comma minus 2. This is C2. Now again we need to join. We get another triangle, and this is the reflection under x-axis, right? As you can see that. Now the third part he is asking. In the third part he is asking, assign the special name of the quadrilateral BC. This is BC and C2. So it is directly coming to BC, C2, B2, right? BC, and we need to join out this and this, and then again it is this. So we need to assign a special name to this figure. So anybody can tell me what is the name of this figure? It is clearly a trapezium. It is clearly a trapezium, right? So here we can write down BC C2 B2 is a trapezium. Okay, and if it is a trapezium, in the same part he is asking area. He is asking what? Area. We need to find out the area also. Right? So how we can find out the area? Area of the trapezium is half sum of parallel side into height. Right? This is the formula. Right? So as you can see that this line and this line are parallel and this will be the perpendicular. Right? On the graph paper you can measure it. On the graph paper you can measure it. What is the length? As you can see that this one, length of this one will be the coordinate of B2 and C2 and C is given. So as you can check it out, this is the 2 unit and 2 unit. It will become 4 unit. So from here to here it will be how much? 4. And as you can see that from here to here it is 5 and it is 5. This is 5 unit and this is 5 unit. So it will become how much? 10. So length of both the parallel side is 10 and 4. And now you need to find out the height. This will be the height. Right? So how many unit? 1 unit, 2 unit and 3 unit. So this will be how much? 3 unit. Right? So can you find out the area? Yes, of course we can find out. 1 upon 2. This is 10 plus 4 into what? 3. Yes or no? Now 10 plus 4 will be 14. 14. So it will become 1 upon 2 into 14 into 3. It will be cancelled out. It is 7. 7 3 is a what? 21 square unit. This is the area.